letter, this is, yeah, I know this letter, it's
za.
za.
Remember, we're talking Levantine Arabic.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm here for,
Keeping that in mind,
this word would be, so yeah, this word would be, so we have za, so it's actually, it's zahr.
no, actually, it's not zahr, it's dhuhr. I told you before we're talking Levantine Arabic, so yeah, just keep that in mind. You need to focus. So za here, it's actually pronounced as da, so it's dahr, back. Okay, no, don't. Okay, just let's focus. Like I guess you're gonna get it now.
Yeah, fine.
What do you think about this word?
Let's get this. So this is ba, and then za, it's da. Yeah, I guess I'm getting it. Okay. And then noon. Yeah, it's bdun.
We're about to get it actually. See here, you can't say za. This actually was my point of having two examples here, because when you see there is a sukun and yeah, and here you can say za, so it's bzun, which is I guess
Whatever.